Bifold Patio doors, Washington, D.C. are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. These folding glass doors offer a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas, making them ideal for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening at home. With a variety of styles available, including aluminum bifold doors and wooden bifold doors, residents can find the perfect match for their home's aesthetic. For those seeking energy-efficient patio doors in Washington, D.C., custom bifold doors provide an excellent solution. These doors are designed to minimize heat loss and reduce energy bills, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Insulated patio doors are particularly beneficial in the Washington, D.C. climate, where temperature fluctuations can be significant. Patio door installation in Washington, D.C. is a service that requires expertise and precision. Professional installers ensure that your exterior bifold doors are fitted correctly, providing maximum security and weatherproofing. Secure patio doors are essential for peace of mind, and bifold door hardware plays a crucial role in maintaining the safety and functionality of your doors. Bifold Patio doors, Washington, D.C. replacement is a necessary service for maintaining the longevity of your doors. Regular patio door maintenance can prevent issues such as misalignment or damage to the bifold door hardware. By addressing these problems early, homeowners can avoid costly bifold door replacement and ensure their doors remain in top condition. Modern patio doors in Washington, D.C. offer a sleek and contemporary look that complements any home design. Contemporary bifold doors are available in various finishes and materials, allowing homeowners to customize their appearance. Whether you prefer the natural warmth of wooden bifold doors or the sleek look of aluminum bifold doors, there is a design to suit every taste. Space-saving patio doors are an excellent choice for homes in Washington, D.C., where maximizing space is often a priority. Sliding bifold doors are particularly effective in smaller areas, as they do not require additional space to open. This makes them an ideal option for residential bifold doors in urban settings. Outdoor bifold doors in Washington, D.C. are perfect for creating an inviting outdoor living space. These doors allow for easy access to patios, decks, or gardens, enhancing the overall functionality of your home. Weatherproof bifold doors are essential in this region, providing protection against the elements while maintaining a stylish appearance. Commercial bifold doors in Washington, D.C. are a practical solution for businesses looking to optimize their space. These doors offer flexibility and ease of use, making them suitable for a variety of commercial applications. Bifold door design can be tailored to meet the specific needs of any business, ensuring both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Bifold door installation in Washington, D.C. is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. The installation team will ensure that your doors are properly aligned and functioning smoothly. This attention to detail is crucial for the longevity and performance of your bifold patio doors, Washington, D.C.